Manipur on Sunday witnessed pre-poll ticket tussle with several parts of the state reporting burning and tearing of BJP flags and mandal properties following announcement of BJP candidate list for the two first state assembly polls slated for February 27 and March 3. Despite efforts to break the ticket deadlock, the BJP Manipur Pradesh could not control spar by party workers and supporters of intending candidates over ticket allotment. Supporters of intending candidates in the 60 assembly constituencies staged protests over ticket denial. The saffron leaders were in tenterhooks as the party had 3 to 7 ticket aspirants. It is said that those who have been denied BJP ticket are equally strong. Many BJP ticket aspirants said their dreams had been shattered. The ruling BJP is expecting to win at least 40 seats in the ensuing polls. The BJP reportedly delayed announcement of party's candidate list fearing violence and also in a bid to prevent its probable candidates from jumping ship before the process of filing nomination begins. Unlike the opposition Congress, which had announced 40 candidates recently as the first list for the Manipur polls, the BJP has announced names of all 60 seats. Similarly, the National People's Party, a coalition party of the BJP-led government, also had announced names of 20 candidates recently. N. Biren Singh of Hengang, who is heading the BJP-led coalition government in Manipur, Thongam Biswajit Singh of Thongzu, Works Minister, and a BJP strongman Thaunauzam Syam Kumar of Andro, Raj Kumar Imo Singh of Sagolban, Okram Henry Singh of Wangkai, Prithviraj Singh of Moirang, and Yengkom Surchandra of Kakching are among the BJP candidate list unveiled today. The votes will be counted and the results will be declared on March 10.